serving window. Shelf. Fully wrapped, 360 degrees. Tri-fuel generator. It's got all the different fuel, natural gas, propane, or gasoline. 10,500 watts. Cover. 200-pound propane tanks. Go inside the truck. Get your fire extinguisher. Start her up here so you can hear the engine run. A little radio, some speakers, and a fan. Let's start from the right side. This is, as soon as you walk in, a large commercial fridge. Just turned it on. So inside the fridge, lots of space. Next, we've got a long equipment table. Behind this food warmer is a couple extra unused gas lines. So in lieu of the food warmer, you could use things like an oil fryer or stove, whatever you like. But the food warmer's in there now, which does not require propane. Lamp inside. It's got two doors that are not installed in the tracks right now. Space underneath. 5-foot table again, so there's some shelving space there. This is your hood fan. 6 feet long. Get your first pizza oven. Second pizza oven. There's the propane gas lines. As you can see, there's 4 of them. It's your full fire suppression kit, all fully inspected. You have electrical outlet, workable shelf. This is a prep table. Breaker. This is where you can turn on and off all your equipment. Moving over to the left side, another electrical outlet. There's a little open spot there. You can put your brooms and your mops and cleaning stuff. You've got a secondary fridge. So this fridge has a lower door. Some space to put ingredients, beverages, whatever you like. And then we have a topping station that's fully refrigerated. And we've got extra topping trays as well. There's 8 that are installed in here. Get another shelf that you can leverage there. This is the payment terminal, so it just holds an iPad. This is a square stand. Serving window is right there. Serving area right there. Underneath here, you've got your clean water tank. Holds 130 liters. Also underneath here, you have your water heater. And then you have your wastewater tank, holds 170 liters. Little paper towel dispenser, hand washing station, so hand washing sink.